Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today, of course, we have an unboxing video here. Trying to decide which blade to use on the Swiss Army knife here. I think this is the dull one, so probably not a good one to use. I need to sharpen that. Let's use the little blade. There we go. So this should be the, and I've already forgot the model number. It should be the Seiko Seitona, whatever it's called. So I need to look it up and figure out what the model number is on this thing. Hopefully it's on the tag here. So about this watch, secondhand, used just like I usually do with all my watches. Packaged up very nicely here. Very nice packaging job. Alright, so it is a Seiko, so that's a good sign. Let's see, SSC819 Pro Specs, $675 MSRP. I forgot what I paid for it, not $675. Yeah, this thing is cool looking. I would like the Panda dial more, but this came up, so I purchased it. Let's see, I think something. Okay, there we go. Took me a minute to realize which one was the running second. So left sub dial is the running second hand. Then the others should be for the chronograph. I don't actually know. It feels heavy too. Okay, so something was off with the chronograph there. So the right dial is your 24-hour sub dial. So really it's just a 60-minute chronograph counter, which is fine. I really don't even use a chronograph for anything anyway. I just like how they look, and this kind of reminds me of the Omega Speedmaster. So, well, and also the really looks more so like the Rolex Daytona. I'd really like to have a Rolex Daytona, but those things are next to impossible to get. I think MSRP is like $15,150 now, and last time I checked, I think they're selling for $40,000 on the secondary market. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. So anyway, just a quick look at this watch here. We'll get it on wrist. We'll close out the video. Today, still wearing the Oliver Green Mare. I need to do a video for this one. We'll get around to that here eventually. Yeah, this watch is cool. I like it. It's funny. Actually, I'm remembering I bought this from a guy in Hawaii, so that's why the time is off. Well, it'll be off for when I release the video, but right now it's 9:20-ish. So, yeah, anyway. All right, let's get this on wrist. I really like the shape of this. It looks like it's fairly small, too. Solid end links, solid links. Solid links into the clasp there, a milled clasp. Really nicely done here. And I believe this is a sapphire crystal, if I'm not mistaken. What did that just do? What is that? Okay, I don't know what that hand is doing down there because it's not in a different position. So I might actually have to read the manual for this. Assuming there is one in here somewhere. I don't know. Anyway, let me get this on rest. We'll close out the video. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell icon. I greatly appreciate it. It helps me out very much in this YouTube hobby here. Actually, let's see, what would this be? This is, I don't know if this is going to be pin and collar. Probably going to be pin and collar. I'm not really looking forward to messing with that, but I will have to size it. So let me know what you think of this watch. I think it was cool. I would like it more if it didn't have that PS. It's a PS. It looks like an X. And that's for Pro Specs. It's kind of weird how the second hand is white, but then the loom is kind of a cream color. All right, let's zoom out and then we'll close out the video. Zoom out. Yeah, I really like this watch. It fits well. Let me know what you think of this watch. And as always, thank you for taking the time and thank you for watching. So just wanted to add, I did look in the box and have 2 more links, and it is pin and collar. This is a pin and collar right there, so that ought to be fun to mess around with. Not really, but it is what it is. All right, as always, again, thank you for taking the time and thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.